Welcome to Casa do Olhar, a stunning residence located in Goiânia, Brazil. This architectural masterpiece was crafted for a young couple embarking on the journey of family life. Designed for lovers of social gatherings and cherished moments with friends and family, Casa do Olhar is more than just a home. It's a haven for creating lasting memories. The corner plot posed a unique challenge with its west-facing orientation, subjecting the house to direct sunlight during the hottest hours of the day. On the lower floor, a combination of lower perimeter ceilings and a higher central ceiling, along with the addition of a muxarabi, provides a barrier against the harsh sun without compromising natural light or obstructing the panoramic views. Upstairs, in the intimate areas, movable lattice panels and Venetian blinds offer three options: complete sunblock, partial lighting with privacy, or an open view. True to its name, Casa do Olhar was designed with the view in mind, boasting large spans and minimal obstructions to immerse residents in the surrounding landscape. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.